While one robot is making fries, another one is making hamburgers after prepping them.
In the back, there's a refrigerator that has chunks of meat, so it fresh grinds every single patty and forms it to order.
The first fully automated restaurant in the world is opening in Pasadena. Robots that can remember faces will take customer orders and handle payments. The cherry on top, there's no need to leave tips. What's more, owners say it's a revolutionary breakthrough in safety, as slippage and burns can be nearly eliminated, and waste reduced in both food and oil.
We're really focused on the restaurant space. If you think about the restaurant space, it's, they don't have the best technology. It's not really the same as the tech industry. It's the area really that technology left behind.
Restaurant management says the robots are perfect workers. No special requests, no raised demands. And although the amount in maintenance costs is not fully known yet, the owners don't anticipate these to be significant.
We're talking about 5 to 6 people per shift, down to 1. So that's, an 80% savings?
Saving money is the big driver behind the push to introduce robots to the workforce. In 2023, California Governor Gavin Newsom raised the minimum wage for fast food restaurant workers to $20 an hour, a wage you don't have to pay robots.
One argument on the part of employers who were against the proposition to elevate the minimum wage for fast food workers was that was going to make it more expensive for them to operate, and they were going to look for ways to cut costs.
Gaspar Rivera Saldago is with the UCLA Institute for Research on Labor and Employment. Rivera Saldago says raising the minimum wage was an attempt to get workers into the fast food business. Lomelino acknowledges that robots are a way to avoid paying that higher wage, but says the robots are doing jobs many people don't want.
But the truth of the matter is, even paying $20 an hour in Pasadena, I will have a hard time hiring enough staff to work here in this restaurant.
While customers might enjoy the novelty of being served by a robot, Saldago says there are tech issues and that more importantly, people like talking to people.
The employees complain that, they have to monitor these automatic machines because they tend to fail a lot. People end up wanting to talk to a human being because they know that human beings can process more complex requests.
Robots already play huge roles in the manufacturing industry, and inevitably, robotics will infiltrate more and more industries over time. But it remains to be seen if the world is ready for a robot to wait on them and a robotic chef. For Angelina Bagdasaryan in Los Angeles, NRI's VOA News.